another day to post with more views than subscribers. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now if your nails look like this or like this, please, this video is for you, because I want us to do a nail care. We want to clean those nails until they look good and smart. So make sure that you subscribe, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, comment, share, just engage with my content. So this is my initial look of my nails. Like, this gel has overstained and it was time for a new gel or a new polish. So the first thing that I'm doing is to remove the old gel polish. Is it called? I don't know. I'm using a drill to just remove it. I think it is faster compared to a file. At the same time, I don't love using acetone to remove gel, so that is what I'm using. Then I'm going in with my nail cutter just to trim the nails into a good shape that I love, and just so and also to just trim the grown nail, like for them to be in good shape. Then I'm going in with my cuticle gel. My friend, if you don't have cuticle gel, what are you doing with your life? This is a game changer for the nails, and if you love taking care of your nails, because it helps you to get rid of dead skin, cuticles allow the nails, and it just leave your nails looking good. But with the help of a cuticle pusher, that is what I'm using. I'm using the bigger part just to push the cuticles and just to remove the dead skin, the whitish thing. They just make the nails not to look good, like they look whitish, especially when they are dry and not moisturized. So come my dear, this video is for you, because I know those toenails of yours. I know how they are looking like, but you're just waiting for the pedicure appointment. My dear, you can do this at home. This is very affordable. These pedicure pusher, not pedicure, sorry, this cuticle pusher is, I think, 150. The cuticle gel there is for 150 Kenyan shillings, so you can do that. Yeah, so it's very affordable. At the same time, if you don't have the cuticle gel, you can dip your feet inside warm water with some salt, the normal salt, or you can use bicarbonate of soda or soda ash. You can use that, and after like 10-15 minutes, the cuticles and the dead skin allowed your nails will have softened, and therefore when you go in with your brush or just the cuticle pusher or the wooden cuticle pusher, removing the dead skin and the cuticles becomes very easy. Plus, make sure that you don't hurt the area around your cuticles, because my friend, that thing is painful and it takes a lot of time to like heal. At times it might get some infection, so just ensure that you are gentle as you can. Remember, this is something you are doing just for your mental state, like you're just there relaxing, pampering yourself like the queen you are. And oh my god, yeah, just so don't be in a hurry, so just, yeah, don't be in a hurry. Actually, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see other videos on how I'm able to take care of my nails. There's so many ways in which you can do that. Then today I'm not using water, I'm not dipping my legs inside water. I'm just lazy, so I'm using a towel to just wipe off the dirt, the cuticles and everything, just to ensure that the nails are clean. Today I'm not using water. Then I'm doing this for the other feet. I don't know, I think that one was the right feet. Now I'm doing it for the left feet, so I'm going to follow the same procedure. Apply cuticle gel, use my cuticle pusher just to push the cuticles and the dead skin, the whitish thing. Like you can see, I hate so much, and this was making my toenail, allow the nail to look very dry and whitish. Yeah, something like that. And especially when they are dry, because I think, if I don't know if you are like me, when I'm not taking care of my nails, like when I'm not doing a pedicure, like I'm just there, I'm not even remembering to take care of my nails, which is so bad. My English teacher will be happy to hear that. Yeah, so guys, make sure that you support my channel by subscribing, because oh my god, so many people are watching my videos, like I get so many views, but the subscribers, please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of during my birthday. My birthday is in June. Yeah, so please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers by that time. And at the same time, I post videos on Mondays, Wednesday, and on Fridays or Saturday, those 2 days, they normally confuse me. I've been taking a break for the longest time, I think. I think I'm also, yeah, but I'm doing something. So please make sure that you support me so that we can take care of our nails, our feet, and all that support my channel. Don't forget to do that. Then after that, I wipe all that off. I've said today I'm not using water, that is what I'm saying. Then I go in with the file just to remove the shiny part of the nail. The smooth shiny part of the nail. That is what I'm doing. Yeah, so stay tuned. And if you have come this far, what can I say, Fred? You're just a gem. You're such a gem. You are a gem, like. Yeah, so thank you for being here, like thank you for even being here. I just hope that you have subscribed. Have you? Yeah, I know you have. Then we wipe off, and at this moment I'm ready for a new polish. The most exciting part about it all is having a new polish, like, oh, so good. And like you can see, they are looking super good, super clean. And they look good. They just look pretty compared to when we started, which is quite okay. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty, so clean, and ready for a nail polish. So I'll be going in with the base coat, and then after the base coat, I'm going in with the lead gel, because why not? Valentine is over, yeah, I know, but why not? Why not? I'm just a girl, yeah. Yeah, so go in with the lead polish for 2 coats. The first one we cure for like 30 minutes, and then after that we go the second coat. And then I'm trying out nail art, and I think this one, so far so good. It's good, it's presentable, it look good, and therefore we go with it in the meantime, as we are going to learn more. Maybe a French pedicure. Yeah, I think I should try that next time. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section about it. So we go in with that. I think I just admire people who can do a nail art, like, oh, you people, you don't know, you are doing such a good job. Like, at times I see some nail art and I'm like, what, this person might be so creative. And then I go in with the top coat, and this is the result. Thank you for being here. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. I think this looks super good and admirable. I'm going to moisturize, so see you until the next one.